Welcome to Hi Channel. Today please go with us to the quiet shoreline of Hotel Playa Coco, where nature feels wild, untouched, and wonderfully alive. Under a soft gray sky and steady ocean wind, today's adventure slows down from snorkeling and turns into something gentler, a peaceful beach walk along the edge of one of the most beautiful ecosystems in Cayo Coco. This coastline is part of an incredible 38 kilometers of powdery white sand beaches, stretching beside mangroves, shallow lagoons, and vibrant coral reefs. Even without the sun, the sea glows in shades of turquoise and silver, waves rolling rhythmically onto the shore like a calm heartbeat of the island. As we walk, the story of the land reveals itself beyond the sand. Just behind the beach, the coastal forest thickens into a rich tropical world. Mangroves twist their roots into the brackish water, shrubs and hardy seaside trees bend with the wind, and hidden among the branches we notice something fascinating: earthy termite nests clinging to tree trunks. These delicate structures are signs of a thriving ecosystem, quietly built by tiny architects that play an important role in recycling nutrients and supporting the island's biodiversity. The air hums with life. Insects buzz through the vegetation, and you might spot mosquitoes or tiny sandflies drifting near the mangroves, especially as the day cools. Birds call from the treetops, and somewhere beyond the shallows, coral reefs shelter colorful marine life beneath the waves. Every step along this beach feels like walking through a living sanctuary, a place where forest and sea meet in perfect balance. Though the weather is cloudy and the wind strong, the mood is peaceful and reflective. Instead of diving beneath the water, we explore the shoreline's hidden details: footprints in the sand, drifting seaweed, whispering palms, and the quiet architecture of nature itself. Today isn't about rushing or chasing fish, it's about slowing down, breathing the salty air, and discovering the wild beauty that surrounds this tropical beach. Let's walk together.